Hey everybody, Keegs here. In this video, I'm very quickly going to give you a look at the new custom fields for campaigns feature, which is now in beta in Audata Promo. So this feature basically allows you to request specific details from prize winners for certain campaigns, which can be really, really useful. So I'll give you a look at how you use it. So what I'm going to do here in my Audata Promo dashboard is go to campaigns and create a new campaign. For this example, let's say that we are doing a snow trip and we're giving away like passes to go to the snow or whatever. We'll call it 2017 snow trip. Campaign name. I'm not going to worry about the rest of the campaign stuff for this example. I'm just going to go ahead and create that. And now you'll see there's a new tab in campaigns on this screen called custom fields. So if you go to that tab and then click create new field, you can create additional fields that will be presented to prize winners for this campaign only. So because we're doing a snow trip, an example might be whether you ski or snowboard. So for this example, I'm going to, in the name, I'm going to put in equipment. Listen a label. This is what the question is as it's displayed to the winner. So I'm going to put in, do you ski or snowboard? Field type. If you click on this, there are three types of fields you can have. A text field where the winner can enter any text that they like. A checkbox, which is pretty self-explanatory, or a select box where they have a drop down with different options, much like this right here. For this one, I'm going to go select box. And then if you do select box, you have to put in some options in this field here. So you enter the options separated by commas. Each comma is a different, between the commas, each option is a different item on the drop down. So for this, I'm going to go ski, comma, snowboard, maybe comma, none. And then you can check this box if it's required, meaning the winner must provide a response. So we're going to check that box and click save. And that's going to add it right there. So let's create a couple more for example's sake. Let's say height. How tall are you in centimeters for the, I don't know, the skis or whatever. We'll make that a text field so they can enter that in. Don't need to provide options, but we're going to make that required. Okay, let's go and create another one here. Let's say eligible to travel. We're going to make this a checkbox. And the label is going to be, I am available to travel between some random dates, July 15 to 20. And I'm going to make that required. So they have to be able to check that box to confirm the prize. So I'm going to click save. And from here, you can just either, if you need to delete one, you can just click delete over at the right, or you can click and drag and reorder them as you like. So now, what am I gonna do here is just make a quick list called 2017 Snow Trip Guest List, because it doesn't really matter what the prize is. These questions are attached to the campaign, not the prize. So it's not the inventory item or the list, it's the campaign that you use when you award the prize that is gonna present those additional questions. So I'm gonna go award new prize here. I'm gonna award a prize to myself. Gonna go add to list, Snow Trip Guest List. And most importantly, I'm going to make sure this prize is attached to that campaign. So I'm going to click attach to campaign, and I'm going to attach it to 2017 Snow Trip, and hit continue, and there we go. So let me give you a look at what it looks like for the prize winner when they go to confirm their details. So if I was the person who'd won, I get this screen here. And then when I click yes, instead of taking me to the confirmation screen, here it is. These are the questions that we created before. So I get a drop down. Do I ski or snowboard? I ski. How tall are you? 196 centimeters. And look, this is the one that we set to required, this checkbox here. So if I don't, if I leave any of these blank or don't check that box, for example, if I hit continue, it's going to give us these errors here. So I have to fill that out. So I'm going to go 196 centimeters. I am available to travel. And there we go. Now it's confirmed the prize. So when you go and look at the prize, back in the dashboard, you see that extra information here. So this just helps you to save even more time by allowing you to collect specific information that you might need for specific campaigns right from the Audata workflow without needing to do any follow-up calls or emails or anything like that. So hopefully you find it helpful and useful. And of course, as always, feel free to shoot me an email if you have any feedback.